Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhollow me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhollow me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhollowing me? Why would I go and hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? When I feel so empty without
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you were better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to
Don't act like it's so easy. Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be showing off. I'm gonna tell the truth, it ain't that bad or good. Took L's and W's too. Be the last to start and the first to leave. Ooh, wanna play the part convincingly. I got a lot on my mind. On my shit I'm way behind, but if you check my pages I'm doing fine. You think being smart was my hobby, acting dumb was my job. Being lazy is comfy, doing work is too much. Acting crazy is easy, and calming down ain't no fun. Now I'm finished, but you know I ain't done. Don't act like it's so easy. Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be showing off. I'm gonna tell the truth, it ain't that bad or good. Took L's and W's too. And I know you're not perfect, looking from the outside. Cause my lady is lovely, but she ain't loving me right. It'll always be something in between her and I. It'll either be one or some guy. Paint the world is black and white, except for the green on the other side. Pave the way, you never drive until you follow behind. Don't act like it's so easy. Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be sure. Just be sure. I'm gonna tell the truth, it ain't that bad or good. Took L's and W's too.
항상 처음은 설레이지. 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지. 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어. 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아. Let's go out in the sun. 느낌이 왔어. 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰. Fly with the wind. 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘. Time after time 사랑을 몰라. 말들이 너무 많아. 우리 걱정은 많아. 널 보며 지금 말해. 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어. Yeah. Alright. This feels good. You and I think we got something special, and I don't need to try any harder. It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Oh, right, this feels good. You and I think we got something